welcome to Cafe Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you how to attach one of our compact laminate tabletops to one of our bases using our groove technology. Now, you should have received with your tops and bases washers, nuts and bolts, and also some silicone. You're also going to need a spanner, a cloth, a little bit of water just to wipe up excess silicone, and a ruler. Before you start, attach your cross to your pole and put your bolts in. Now, take your bolts and you slide them into the channel. Start at the circle and just slide them along. Now take your ruler and you want each one of those to be 10 centimeters from the tip of the circle, just so they line up and you don't have to slide them while you have your cross piece in your hand. Okay, it's about there. Now take your silicone and you want to put a bead of silicone on either side of the channel. This is to really bond that base to the top. Now take your cross piece and your pole and line it up with the outer hole. You've got two holes, an inner hole and an outer hole. We're going to attach the outer hole and just slide those bolts into the holes. There we are, on properly. Now place the washers . And then the nuts. You don't want to be using any power tools, just do this by hand. If you over tighten these nuts, they will snap out the channel. Now tighten those up. Want those to be tight, but as I said, not over tight. As soon as you feel that tightening up, just give it a little lock into place. Now you'll have a little bit of silicone that's squeezed out from where you put that base on. Just wet your finger with a little bit of water and just run it along the line there. Just neaten that silicone up and the water will stop the silicone from sticking to your finger. So you want to do each of those. Now just wipe up and clean up after that. Now you'll notice that you have a little bit of the end of the bolt sticking out. Now customers can catch their pants or scratch their legs on that. So you have these end nuts. Just put that on the end. Very important to put those on just in case. We don't want anybody hurting themselves. That leaves it nice and rounded and nice and safe for your customers. And again with those, just a little nip to make sure that they're tight. Okay, that's your cross piece attached. Now you can just attach whichever base you've ordered with it, whether it be a Maxwell or a circular or a bolt-in, and then you're ready to go with your tabletop. I hope this has been helpful and thank you for watching.